Alright, so we're going to go ahead and look at parallel. Remember, what it means to be parallel is they have to have the same slope. So, for example, if something has a slope of 3, a line parallel to it is also going to have a slope of 3. Or if a line has a slope of negative 1/2, the parallel slope is also going to have a slope of negative 1/2. So one of the common problems will give you an equation such as, let's say, y equals 4x minus 3, and we want to find an equation parallel to that passes through the point negative 1, 2, let's say. Well, with your new equation, since it is parallel to it, we know that it's going to have the same slope. So if we look at this original equation, it has a slope of 4. So what that tells us is our new equation is also going to have a slope of 4. So y equals 4x. We just don't know what the new y-intercept is, so usually we just put plus b. Well, now to be able to find that new equation that has that slope, we have to go ahead and plug in our x and our y. So with the ordered pair that's given, the first one is your x, the second one is your y, and what we want to do is just plug that in for x and y. So we're going to plug in 2 in for y, we're going to plug in negative 1 for x, and use that to go through and solve for our b value. Well, if we simplify, 4 times negative 1 is negative 4, plus b. In order to solve for b, I have to get rid of minus 4, so I'm going to add 4 to both sides. So in this case, I end up getting that b is equal to 6. Now remember, one of the common mistakes students make is they forget to write the final equation. We know that our equation is going to look something like this, except for now we know our b value. So really all we have to do is plug in what we found for b into that equation. So our final answer is y equals 4x plus 6.